everyone, I'm Anissa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're here in the Offbeat kitchen and I'm going to be sharing with you 3 chia pudding recipes. The first one is a carrot cake chia pudding. The next one I think is my favorite, and that's a chocolate chia pudding. And the third one is a blueberry lemon chia pudding. Here we go. So we're going to start out with making our chia seed pudding base. And I'm going to go ahead and start with my 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. You could even go to 4 tablespoons if you'd like, if you do prefer a thicker pudding. I like mine slightly thinner, so that's why I'm starting with 3 tablespoons. We've got our almond milk here, 1 cup. You can use any type of plant milk you like. I like almond milk, but certainly use the one that you've got on hand as the most appropriate one. And then we've got a little titch of salt. This is really just a pinch of Himalayan salt, just to help elevate all the flavors. And then I've got, again, a pinch of cinnamon. I'm gonna go with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 full teaspoon of maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like here. You can even use agave, or if your almond milk is already sweetened, then you can go ahead and skip that step. And we're just mixing it through to avoid any lumps. First, we're going to start out with our carrot cake chia pudding. And first to go in is the cinnamon. Next is some freshly grated nutmeg. If you don't have freshly grated, you can certainly use dried. 1/4 cup of grated carrots, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of raisins. And now we mix all the ingredients thoroughly through our pudding. And we top it with a little bit of shredded coconut. And this is the final product, our carrot cake chia pudding. So we've got our same base as we started with before, and now we're going to turn it into a lemon blueberry chia pudding. So first we've got our star ingredient, which is the lemon rind. We've got about 2 teaspoons of lemon rind here. You can certainly add more if you'd like. Then we have our blueberries. I've got a 1/4 cup here, and we'll put them in carefully. These ones are frozen. Of course, you could use fresh if you have those. And then we add in some coconut flakes. And we give it a nice mix through. And one of the cool things about using the frozen blueberries is that it turns everything purple, which is kind of fun. I like topping this one with a little bit of sliced banana and some coconut, a little bit more on top. And this is our beauty shot for our lemon blueberry chia pudding. And we've saved the best for last, and that is our chocolate chia pudding. So first up is our raw cacao powder. If you don't have raw cacao powder, you can definitely use cocoa powder here. That would take it to the next level. And we'll give it a nice mix through, make sure all of that chocolatey goodness is incorporated well. You can even do this step when you're making it at the beginning with the base. When it's all still very liquidy, it would be fine to do that too. And now the fun part, which is the toppings. I've got some sliced banana here. Got some frozen strawberries. I love frozen strawberries here because they are super sweet. Especially when they kind of get all melty and stuff with a little bit of that juice that comes off of it when it's defrosted. So good. A little bit of dark chocolate and a little bit of coconut. And that's the chocolate chia pudding in all its glory. Well, I'm joined here by my trusty cameraman and taste tester.
What's up, everybody?
Are you ready for it?
I am ready to do my most important job of taste testing.
Which one are you gonna go for?
You know me, I love the fruit, so I'm gonna go right for the fruit one and see what's happening here. That was good. That was really good.
So glad you like it.
Well, you know I haven't had breakfast
Yes.
or lunch. I've only had some snacks today. It's been a crazy day of filming.
Yeah.
So that being said, I'm gonna eat all this, but as always, thank you very much for joining us. Please remember to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We post a lot of good content. It's very different, a lot of cool content on there. So we'd love it if you'd watch that. Follow us there. Also at Offbeat Life. And until next time, see ya.
Bye.